traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, April 15th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the monthly Aussie dollar, I still think this current move down that we're getting is going to make a higher low, and I still think this is going to go up to complete the WXY pattern. 3 waves up for W, 3 waves down for X, 3 waves up for wave Y. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm definitely still looking at this as the end of a wave B of Y, which would make this right here a wave 1 and this right here a wave 2. Definitely no signs that the wave 2 is actually over yet, but eventually I still think there's a very good likelihood that it is going to go up and make a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5, which is the wave C of wave Y. The wave C and the wave A of wave Y should definitely be a trend. So taking it down to the 4 hour or the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I'm definitely still taking this uptrend as a wave 1. I still think this is an A. 3 waves up for a B, and I still think we are most likely going down for a wave C. Now at this point, I would say the 78% is pretty likely. Now maybe it's a wave 2, maybe not. Maybe it just keeps on drifting down. If I'm looking for sorts of time frames and it does just keep on drifting down, it definitely is not going to create any issues for me. But at this point, I definitely think it is going to go down at least to the 78.6. Once it gets there, if we can identify the end of a correction by identifying the end of a trend, then that should tell us whether or not this really is a wave 2. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, we're definitely heading up right now, but I do think there's a very good chance this move up is part of a correction to this move down. I think that we are very likely to get another push down to at least that 78% and maybe even beyond. So, like I said, I'm definitely looking for shorts on these sort of time frames. Going down to the 1 hour, to me this looks like an uptrend. I think it's more likely an A, probably a B. I think it's more likely that it is going to go up for a wave C. If I get some sort of a 3-way pattern, kind of like this, 1, 2, 3 waves up, and then impulsive engulfing to the downside, that would be exactly what I'm looking for my next short. At least until the higher time frames tell me otherwise, on the 1 hour time frame range, I am definitely looking for shorts in a downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the live trading sessions and the swing trade setups at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.